watch out, and don't you cry. Your folks might understand you by and by. Just move on up towards your destination, and you may find from time to time complications. I'm bringing booty back. Go ahead and tell them, see any ladies that. No, I'm just playing. I know you think you're fat, but I'm here to tell you every inch of you is perfect from the bottom to the top. Yeah, my mama, she told me don't worry about your size, because boys like a little more booty to hold at night. You know I won't. No diggity. I like the way you work it. No diggity. I like to beg it up now. I like the way you work it. No diggity. She's got class and style, street knowledge by the pound. Shorty never act wild, very low key on a profile. Catching feelings is a no. Let me tell you how it goes. Tall and tan, young and lovely, the boy from Ipanema goes walking in. When he passes, I go. The boy from Ipanema, from Ipanema. Oh, but I watch him so sadly. How can I tell him I love him? Please tell me that you got me and you're never gonna leave. Break my bones, but you won't see me fall. Oh, the rising tide will rise against them all. Oh, darling, hold my hand. Oh, won't you hold my hand? 'Cause I don't wanna walk on my own anymore. Don't you understand? 'Cause I don't wanna walk alone. I'm ready for this, there's no denying. I'm ready for this. With the taste of your lips, I'm on a ride. You're toxic, I'm slipping under. Taste of your poison paradise. I'm addicted to you, don't you know that you're toxic? Oh, and I love what you do, don't you know that you're toxic? Ooh, oh, I love what you do. It's getting late to give you up. I took a sip from that devil's cup. I heard it through the grapevine, and I'm just about to lose my mind. Heard it through the grapevine. How much longer would you be my baby? Ooh, heard it through the grapevine. How much longer would you be my baby?